Welcome to Quiz Zillion. Are you ready to test your knowledge and have some fun? Join us as we explore fascinating festivals from around the world. From Diwali's bright lights to Christmas cheer, and everything in between, we've got it all covered. Get ready for a quiz challenge. Let's see how many you can guess. Known as the Festival of Lights in India. Yes, it's Diwali. Celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. Great, it's the festival of Christmas. Known as the Festival of Colors. Absolutely, it's Holi. Marks the end of Ramadan, a month of fasting. Correct, it's Eid al-Fitr. Celebrates the resurrection of Jesus. Yes, that's Easter. Jewish festival lasting 8 nights. Spot on, it's Hanukkah. Celebrated in the US with turkey and gratitude. Right, it's Thanksgiving. Harvest festival in Tamil Nadu, India. Exactly, it's Pongal. Celebrates the victory of goddess Durga over evil. Yes, it's Durga Puja. Celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters. You got it, it's Raksha Bandhan. Celebrates the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. Perfect, it's Dussehra. Celebrated with costumes and trick or treating. Great, it's Halloween. Celebrates the birth of Lord Ganesha. Yes, it's Ganesh Chaturthi. Harvest festival of Kerala, India. Correct, it's Onam. Spans 9 nights, celebrating goddess Durga. Right, it's Navratri. Punjabi Harvest Festival and Sikh New Year. Yes, that's Vaisakhi. Marks the sun's transition into Capricorn, celebrated with kite flying. Absolutely, it's Makar Sankranti. Celebrated on January 1st every year. Exactly, it's New Year's Day. Holy month of fasting in Islam. Yes, it's Ramadan. Celebrated on July 14th in France to mark the French Revolution. Spot on, it's Bastille Day. Most important traditional Chinese holiday, based on the lunar calendar. You got it, it's Chinese New Year. African American festival celebrating family, culture, and heritage. Great, it's Kwanzaa. Celebrates Lord Shiva. Yes, it's Mahashivratri. Irish festival with parades in green attire. Correct, it's St. Patrick's Day. Jewish New Year. Right, it's Rosh Hashanah. Jewish festival celebrating the Israelites' exodus from Egypt. Perfect. It's Passover. Marks the end of winter in Punjab, celebrated with bonfires. Absolutely, it's Lohari. Celebrated with parades and colorful beads, especially in New Orleans. Yes, it's Mardi Gras. Celebrates the birth, enlightenment, and death of Gautam Buddha. Correct, it's Buddha Purnima. Celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna. Great, it's Janmashtami. Marks the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Exactly, it's Good Friday. Celebrated on November 14th in India to honor the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes, it's Children's Day. Celebrated on November 5th in the UK with fireworks and bonfires, marking Guy Fawkes' plot. Spot on, it's Bonfire Night. Fasting ritual observed by married Hindu women for their husband's well-being. Correct, it's Karwa Chauth. Celebrates the teachers, including in India on September 5th. Yes, it's Teachers' Day. Celebrates the birth of Lord Mahavir, founder of Jainism. Right, it's Mahavir Jayanti. Tamil festival celebrated in honor of Lord Murugan. Perfect, it's Thaipusam. Jewish festival marking the giving of the Torah at Mount Sinai. Yes, it's Shavuot. Sunday before Easter in Christian tradition. Absolutely, it's Palm Sunday. Catholic festival marking the Virgin Mary's ascension to heaven. You got it, it's Assumption Day. Most important Buddhist festival, commemorating Buddha's birth, enlightenment, and death. Great, it's Vesak. Thai New Year, celebrated with water fights. Exactly, it's Songkran. New Year in Maharashtra and Goa, celebrated with flags and special dishes. Right, it's Gudi Padwa. Celebrated on March 8th every year to honor women's achievements. Yes, that's International Women's Day. Celebrates the birth of Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism. Correct, it's Guru Nanak Jayanti. Festival of sacrifice in Islam. Spot on, it's Eid al-Adha. Day before Lent in Christianity, often celebrated with pancake feasts. Yes, it's Shrove Tuesday. Jewish festival celebrating the saving of the Jews from Haman. Great, it's Purim. Known as Tomb Sweeping Day, it's a time for honoring ancestors and visiting graves. Right, it's Qingming Festival. Celebrated with dragon boat races, it commemorates the poet Ku Yuan. Absolutely, it's Dragon Boat Festival. Thanks for playing along. How many festivals did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the quiz, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends to challenge them. Subscribe for more fun quizzes on culture, festivals, and much more. See you next time on Quiz Zillion. Until then, keep exploring and celebrating the world's diversity.